Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So if you're new here, thank you for joining me today on this cloudy but beautiful spring day. And so let's get right into it. So first we are making a 3-ingredient dip, and it's everything but the bagel seasoning. And have you ever been to Trader Joe's and wondering to yourself, man, is this good? And you didn't pick it up, and now you're watching my video and you have to go buy this because this is the best. And it's 3-ingredient dip, and you can have it with, I like to have it with like pretzel thins, celery, carrots. You can have it with any chip or any vegetable or anything you want. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So first we have 1 cup of sour cream. And then we have 8 ounces of cream cheese. Then we have 3 tablespoons of everything but the bagel seasoning. And we got our pretzel thins, celery, and carrots, and they're the best. So first you put your sour cream into your bowl. Then you have your 3 tablespoons of everything but the bagel seasoning, and you start shaking it in. Then you mix it up. And then once it's mixed, then we put our cream cheese in. And this is already looking like a dip right now. It looks so good. It looks festive. It looks like spring. And now it's mixed. Now we'll add our cream cheese. There we go. That's 8 ounces of cream cheese there. And we mix it around. And yeah, so link a comment down below and tell me if you make this and if you have everything but the bagel seasoning and if you like it, because I love it and it is so good. And we keep mixing and mixing. And this is so festive. It can be for any age. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, it looks like it's mixed. Yeah. There we go. We just dollop it in our bowl. And there we go. Put this to the side. And now we're going to top it off with some everything but the bagel seasoning. And doesn't that look so good? Now I'm going to try it. It is mind-blowing how good it is. I'm blown away. I'm gonna try with carrot now. Can't resist. I might go for a double dip. That's how good it is. But remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.